All right, what's up, guys? I'm thinking about selling the Charger. I got this car. I don't drive this one as it is, and then the Charger, man, it's getting old. The water pump went out, and I was cleaning this today. That's why it smells like chemicals in here, making my nose irritated. But the Charger, I mean, it still sounds good, but I just need to get rid of it, man. I like the car. The problem with this car is it's more of a luxury car, so it got the V8, got the smaller V8. It's not a C63, it's just a CLS, but it's got the twin turbos on it, but it doesn't have the that growl like the Charger got, man. The Charger got the growl, like the got the MagnaFlow. I had MagnaFlow. I think I got Flow Masters on there now. Kind of hear it in the background, but yeah, man, it's my light's out up there, so I got the ring light up there. But not a bad car, man. It still smells good. I don't go anywhere during the day, so pretty much at the house. Yeah, I'm gonna just tell you guys right now, man. I've had a lot of good times in this car. Car shows, just taking pictures all over the place. It actually takes pretty good pictures. Yeah, I'm thinking maybe sell it for I got a well over 180,000 miles on it, which is a whole lot of miles. But I've been out of town back and forth in the car a lot. I don't travel as much. Of course, you got too many miles to travel now, but still a lot of cool things in the car. And I'm thinking maybe, if I get 10 for it, sell it for 10 or even sell it for 7, but sell it for 10. I bought it brand new, got the engine bay done, but none of that stuff matters at this point. The trunk's empty. I had, all that stuff in the trunk, but the trunk, the trunk is empty now because I cleaned all that stuff out. But, man, if I can get 7 for it and, I can safely get about 200% return possibly on the money. You guys know what? Another reason to sell during this time anyway is, man, the used car market is huge. This is the new car, this is a Dodge dealership right here, and as you can see over here, it's empty. All these cars you see right here, these are cars that's going in for service. But look at this used to be full. Look at this, empty. They got those 2 new trucks right here, right there, but this whole place, man, is completely empty. There's no new cars, and it's been like that for months. Look at that huge parking lot. They're still in business, it's just empty. And I asked the guy, I went over there to pick up a piece to make sure my spare tire wasn't moving around. There's just a little plastic piece that screw over the top. And I said, man, what's going on with the cars out here? He said, they're just not making it anymore. So, it's just not making any, this is the same dealership, another portion of it. These are all used cars. They barely got cars over there, but yeah, they're just not making any cars. So definitely go ahead and put this sucker on the chopping block. Go ahead and sell it. I mean, it runs good. Yeah, but that's pretty much why I'm getting rid of it. When the water pump went out, I did get the water pump fixed. They charged me like $1,000 to get that fixed at the dealership. So it's like $900 and some dollars. If I had it in there, I got the oil changed too, because I don't even reach the miles. But the time gets me because I don't drive it as much. So, but yeah, but that's looking clean over there though, man. I like the way this car looks. So yeah, I was looking for one of these, the CLS 550s, and I was looking for one for quite a while before I bought this one.
Yeah. Hey. Get it. Yeah. Forex, stamps, market open, we finna from get the bottom, he made it, his plan's the best. We trading with stamps effects. Run up the price, then we land in a jet straight to the moon. No, this ain't a game. Trading for real, no, this ain't the same. Stands for a mill, come in exchange, yeah.